Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel, and today's tutorial is a very fast and easy one. It's a DIY distressed lock with curly tip, and I will be using this extension from Darling in Natural Twist in color 1. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome, and if you're an OG, it's Adunni again. Thank you for clicking and stopping by. I'll be using this old wig for something we will all see very soon, okay? So I actually removed some weft from that old wig because I needed something for my coily tip, and I really need something that has quality. So I removed the weft and cut off the joining part, the up part, okay? So for the length of the distress lock, depending on the length you're trying to achieve, I decided to cut this into 2, even though I went ahead to still reconsider the length. So after cutting it out into any length that you want to make sure that you fluff out the tip of the kinky extension that you're using for your distressed lock. So after stretching it out, I decided to cut the into 2 into 4 again, and you're just going to see me create the star of the show. I showed you guys this a couple of times in this video, so you want to make sure that you don't skip any part of this video and you watch up until the end. Also, you don't want to forget to create your loop, because if you don't create the loop, how are you going to crochet? So you want to make sure that you create the loop that you will use to crochet your distressed lock. And depending on how big you want the body of your distressed lock is, that is the amount of extension you're going to use, both to wrap it and also for the body of the extension of the locks. If you're new on my channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button. Join this growing and happy family. We recently hit 500,000 views, and I am beyond excited. Please share with me in the comment section any tutorial you would like me to recreate for you guys on here. I will be happy to do that, and I will gladly recreate that for you. I'll see you guys in my very next one. I'm still battling with cough and catarrh. Put me in prayers, guys, because it's been more than 2 weeks and it's not going. So you don't want to skip any part of this video because there are style inspirations at the end of this video. So keep watching, and I'll see you in my very next one.